Hello friends. Would you love to know my secrets? To get rid of crepey, saggy baggy elephant skin, age spots, fine wrinkles, and that saggy, horrible turkey neck. I am going to be 58, 2 months. Yes, I'm going to be 58. And I am a longevity and health coach. I am creating a whole video series on how I was able to retire early at the age of 57 and literally enjoy life more than I ever have. So our goal is for our last 20 years to be our best. And if you're interested in that and you want to have a healthier, longer life and enjoy it more, subscribe to my channel. I do release a video every week, and hit that notification bell. And you see my cat Yuki, he is doing so much better, and he is basically a spoiled brat diva cat. Alrighty, so crepey skin. Interestingly enough, I cannot do a before and after pictures like I do with my weight or like I've done with my hair. And today I had a really good hair day. Yeah, this is all natural. This is just air dried with a little bit of diffusing. Please watch my hair video, how I was able to accomplish that and go from being practically bald. But, you know, I've done a lot of research on crepey skin. I've never had it. And I am going to be 58, which is 2 years away from 60. So I'm gonna just like do up close here. So you can see, I'm not lying. And I'm wearing practically no makeup. Anyhow, I've never had crepey skin. So these are the top 10 things that I've done. If you're watching this video and you're younger than 60 and you want to start doing them as a preventative, it's never too early to start. So anyhow, like, what is crepey skin first off? So what's happening is that as you age, we age, men and women, we lose 1% of our collagen every year as we age. And there's a number one thing to avoid. And some of these are going to make you sad. They're gonna make you very sad. And you're gonna be like, I can't give that up. Well, fine. That's fine. You know, we have choices. And I think if you are my age, you do realize that our time on planet Earth is getting limited. And if you want to continue on your path that's helping you to age poorly, that I can't change because this mindset change, this is also a mindset change where we may have to give up things that we previously enjoyed and we can replace them with other things, okay? We can still have joy. I have more joy in my life. Going on 58, I have so much joy and so much happiness in my life that I've actually never experienced at any decade in my life. So life can be fun, life can be joyful, but there are some things I've had to give up. Okay, so let's go through this list. Number 1, avoid the sun. Now I know part of the reason I look a lot younger than I am, 58, is because I spent the last 30 years in East Tennessee and it's in smoky mountains. Guess why they call it smoky? It's because there's cloud cover and we actually never saw the sun. That's why it's called smoky. So definitely I did not get a lot of a sun exposure. And I do notice that men or women that are wealthy have a lot more of that, like age spots, saggy, baggy, crepey skin, okay? I do notice that. And crepey skin is basically a loss of collagen and the elasticity of the skin. So like that tissue paper, okay? So like a small test is, of course, you can look at it, but another small test is just to tint your skin wherever. I'm gonna just try to pick a normal spot. And my skin, of course, is very elastic and there's no tenting. My hands are veiny, but that's from just working hard my whole life. Okay, that's not crepey skin. So we want to avoid that, and the sun is the #1 damage of causing crepey skin. So cheaper, okay friends, do that. And you don't have to lay out at the beach. That's something young people do. We need to like expand our horizons, maybe go visit a historical site, go do a brewery tour, which is my favorite thing to do, a ghost tour. Just avoid the sun during the peak. When I lay in the pool, I lay in a big floaty with my lemon spritz, and I just avoid the sun altogether. Already, 2. Very similar. Avoid water. I do take a shower. We should not ever lay in a tub of hot water. For some odd reason, I've always thought that's kind of dirty. Laying in your old scum. I've never been a hot bubble bath type of girl. Maybe that's why I do have great skin. But that being said, if that's your love and joy, you just have to find another love and joy or another way to relax. Because we know when we come out of the pool, when we come out of that hot tub, our skin is all shrivelly, look like a raisin, look like the saggy baggy elephant, and we could do that when we're younger. It's fine for babies, it's fine for little kids. They can spend all of their life in things that we should avoid. Rough treatment of the skin. First off, this little bad boy is filled with bacteria. And particularly if you have diabetes type 2, or skin infections, if you're a little overweight, have some skin folds where you're trying to wash between the skin folds, bag of washcloths. Do wash them in hot water in your washing machine and use a fresh washcloth each and every day with a soap that's moisturizing. I do use Dove Moisture Renewal, not a cheap. Do not use the natural oil away from your skin. As we get older, we want to baby our skin. And I also moisture. So our skin does create its own oil. We want to retain that moisture. My favorite product is AmLactin. There's a link below. I'm creating a new website at CaseyAndReynolds.com. We'll have an Amazon store with all the products that I love. But this is going to be amazing. Throw this bad boy away or give it to your granddaughters, whichever one you want to do. As a school teacher, every year I probably got 10 of these, and they just kind of throw them in the bathroom underneath the sink, slowly but surely, and this guy's gonna get thrown away right after this video. Dangerous. Bath and Body Works, not Bath and Body Works is a fine place, nothing against them when you're younger, but we don't need these fragrances and all these chemicals on our skin as we get older. Okay, we want to just use this after you dry it off, out of the shower. At night, you can use an oil, coconut oil, shea butter. I also use Cerave on the dry spots. Okay, this is very inexpensive. Got on Amazon. I use this on my eyelids also, which tend to be very dry. So dry spots at the feet, the elbows, anything that's dry on your body, I use this. Interestingly enough, I did take early retirement at the age of 57. Now I get plenty of sleep. This is the first time in my life, and I have no eye bags at all. So definitely sleep is critical to helping the body renew itself and to rebuild your body. It's super, super critical. So how do you know if you're getting good sleep? Obviously, you're not tired during the day. That's the number one thing. The number two thing is, are you dreaming? And you shouldn't be having nightmares. Like, are you having just kind of like normal dreams? Are you kind of working out things, maybe journaling those dreams a little bit? Sleep, and you do want to look on my video about sleep. Sleep is absolutely critical. I had to quit being a teacher because the stress and waking up at 4:30, I literally was getting no sleep. And if you can see from this picture before with the eye bags and the wrinkles and such like that, I looked it. So watch all my other videos. Please hit subscribe, notification. So we're thinking about our skin is the largest organ on our body. So skin and hair, you know, are going to reflect our health. That's why if you have healthy, glowing skin, nice, thick, full hair, you look younger. That's why you look younger, alrighty, because it is the largest organ on your body. And I do need to mention, I don't have any saggy, crepey skin because it's varying exercise, particularly in our upper body. The upper body. Ladies always want to focus on the lower body, but we really want to focus on the upper body. Alrighty, we're on to number 8, is collagen powder. Lots of research to back this up. You want to definitely use. I've been doing this for 5 years. I've noticed a huge improvement in my gut health and also hair and skin. Super, super important. All right, so that's do not, please, 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 do take a multivitamin, don't take a hair and skin vitamin. They can have toxic levels of vitamins that you don't need. It can actually cause liver damage. So I just eat that healthy Mediterranean diet, that rainbow of fruits and veggies, healthy proteins and nuts. I do take K2. Here's a whole video. Here is a whole video that's going to talk about that. I don't have time in this video, but it's super important to take K2. Of course, see your doctor first. Okay, secret sauce, yay. Bovine Colostrum. I did breastfeed for 5 years. And I breastfed long enough to know that that first milk is the most important milk. The human colostrum, I'm sure the fact there's people that do that because people do all sorts of weird, creepy things in this world. But this is bovine. Okay, so obviously you cannot do this if you're a vegan or vegetarian. So these pills are the first milk from the cow, but they just have a lot of healthy things in them to help that gut biome, also to help your immune system. Since I've started these, everybody that I have less wrinkles because I don't have filler or Botox or anything on my face right now, and I am 58, okay? I definitely swear by these things. And that's one of the things I love, if I'm going to support them in a video, is that there are no serious side effects, short of if you're allergic to dairy. Don't take them if you're allergic to dairy. All right, my other video on how I was able to have the best hair in my life. My hair is actually like crazy glam rocker hair at this point in time. The prettiest, best hair I've ever had. So please watch that next video, and thank you. I so appreciate all of your love and support. And